This is called the spine stitch. And you can see why. Look, it looks like all the vertebrae. Okay, so this is a multiple of 4. So I have 24 stitches on my needle, and I'm using the needles that the yarn calls for. This is a number 4 worsted weight, and I'm using size 9 US needles, which is on the large side. Okay, so let's see. Row number 1, you are going to go into that second stitch in the back of the second stitch right there, and you're going to knit it and leave it there, and then bring back your needle to the front and knit that first one. Now you can take the 2 off. Now go into the front of the second one, of the second stitch, knit it, and then go into the first stitch, knit it, and then you take the 2 off. Again, you go into the back of the second stitch and knit it, and then go to the front of the first stitch, knit it, and take the 2 off. Now you go into the front of that second stitch, knit it, knit the first one, and take them off. Knit the second one through the back of the second stitch, bring your yarn through, and then knit the first one through the front, and take these two stitches off. Now you go into the second stitch through the front, bring it out, and knit the first stitch. Now you can take the 2 off. Now go and knit in the back of the second stitch, knit the front of the first stitch, take them off, knit the front of the second stitch, knit the first one, take them off, knit the back of the second stitch, bring the yarn up, knit the first stitch through the front, take the 2 stitches off, knit the front of the second stitch, knit the front of the first, and take them off. So again, the last set is take the second stitch through the back, knit it, knit the first one, take them off, and then knit the second stitch, knit the first one, and take them off. And that is the first row, and the second row is purl, and it's only those 2 rows, and it looks very, very pretty. And you start your knitting as soon as you cast on your stitches. You start immediately with row number 1. So cast on your stitches nice and soft, and then whenever you purl, also purl your stitches softly, because picking up the stitches on the next row is a little bit difficult if your stitches are tight. So here we are, purl the whole row, and that's it. And this is very nice, like for a little girl's dress, or a table runner, or a handbag, or a hat. I think I'm going to make a hat with this, or gloves. gloves would also look very nice with this, with thinner yarn. So very, very nice. Thank you for watching. Share us with your friends and like our page and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Look how pretty that is. It's like a dimensional